Right, welcome back to Sun Crypto, guys. In today's content, we're gonna talk about the Ripple XRP. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about QTUM, OMG, Cava, KNC, and finally IOTA. Okay, after we talk about all that, all that good stuff, we basically, gonna take a look at some of your requests, right, regarding other alt, moonshot, and all that good stuff, guys. So make sure to hit the likes, make sure to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. If you haven't joined my Discord public group, link also in the description, right? So what you need to do is just go to a Sun Crypto channel, right, and basically hit the likes, right, subscribe, and join the join the public group, right, Discord and Telegram group, right, all that good stuff in in those public groups, right? So basically make sure to hit the likes. We at 4.1, we need to get to 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can get there before the end of the month and all that good stuff, right? And we basically gonna moonshot with XRP, right? So guys, one of the most important topics we're gonna talk about today it is going to be Ripple XRP, right? On the macro scale, guys, as we said, Ripple XRP gonna rip faces, right, in Q2, right? That's what we said, and Sucker is basically getting the job done. Above $1, we have to go for a live stream, okay? As we've been speculating, XRP going to be moonshotting in Q2 2021. Everything look at this guy right here, still smiling. Everything we've been looking for over the last few weeks, few months on the macro scale been playing out beautifully, guys. So we're gonna review all of that, and we're gonna review XRP 589 and why we could not even hit 589, and probably 588 going to be the massive resistance, right? So if you like Jude Moonboy and basically waiting for 589, you better put your orders at 588 just to make sure your orders get filled, right, and all that good stuff, right? So now let me take a look at the chat room. We're gonna take a look at data. Data BTC, it is a premium target, guys. We've been accumulating data, DATA. Let's take a look at it. Some of you guys not familiar with data. DATA. So the premium group been accumulating data from the rock bottom. I don't even know why I got my setups on the public group, but right here we've been accumulating data. Right here just about like 130, 150. Right now we at 500. We can still hit it all the way up to 1,000 or even like 1,500 sats, right? So Sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, I gave you guys the public group. I told you guys about data. Macro scale going to go ballistic within the next like a 5 to 8 weeks, right? So it is still a good hold. Can it pump all the way up to 1,000 sats this week? Possibly, right? But it is not something I'm looking forward to. If we get it, okay, it means like I'm gonna have to FOMO on XRP, because we're gonna take profits off of data and we're gonna dump it into XRP all the way up to some crazy prices, guys, crazy prices. So buckle up on XRP. So now let's go ahead and take a look at XRP on the macro scale and why we haven't even started yet pumping. The pump we got right now is just a preview. It is just a preview, okay? So make sure to hit the likes, guys, and I'm gonna show you why it is just a preview. You know what a preview means, right? It means we haven't even started the pump yet. It is just warming up, okay? It is just warming up, okay? So now you take a look at macro scale XRP. Right now we at the very rock bottom, and I'm gonna give you another setup similar to XRP, okay? Looking to blast off, okay? Looking to blast off, right? So I'm gonna save that for later, okay? I'm not gonna tell you guys right now, right? So most of the moon boy is gonna go ahead and pump that sucker, right? So, and I won't be able to add more. So I'm just joking, but you know what I mean, right? So what we're looking for right now on the macro scale, what we want to see, right? We know, let's start off with the 3-day time frame first, right? on a 3-day basis, right, we look clean. Okay, clean. Okay, we above the 3-day 21. We're looking for a challenge to break above the 3-day 100 EMA right here. It could be quite challenging, right? But one of the reasons why I'm saying like bulls still got some strengths is like they did not get a strong stop right there. Like the selling pressure at the bull flag was so low, bulls got confident. Okay, they got confident. Like any push to the upside right now could be like the mover up to 589 and all that good stuff, right? So if you're Jude Moon Boy, you're gonna be waiting for 589, right? So you take a look at the previous rejection right here. We did not close above the 21 EMA, right? Right now we're looking to close the candle like in 4 hours, guys. Oh my gosh, this guy is so bullish, man. So we're looking to close the candle in 4 hours, the 3-day candle. It is still okay. Even if we do not close above the 3-day 21, that's still good. Okay, it is still going to be okay, right? Because take a look at what we got back in November. Remember November, we nailed it. XRP 27 cents, right? That's when we bought. Okay, as soon as we broke above the weekly 21 EMA, right here I'm gonna show you on the on the USD pair, right here, right? As soon as we broke above 27 cents, right? 2025, because in our premium we said XRP 24 to 27 cents. Make sure to accumulate it because we're gonna basically be pumping to the upside, right? So that's how we nailed XLM also, right? At the same exact time, guys, we nailed both of them. So bang, if you go back to the BTC pair right here, right, that's when we basically skyrocketed, bang, to the upside up to 4,000. So the next 3 days, guys, the next 3 days, right, after we close the 3-day candle right here, could be the most explosive XRP moonshot we will ever see. Okay, if and only if, guys, we get enough volume. Now remember, market cannot pump without enough volume. But let's see, the way we're looking at it right now is like we did have good sell volume right here. So most of these people, okay, who sold at the bottom right now, gonna be FOMOing above the 100 EMA. Okay, they're gonna be FOMOing above the 100 EMA, and most likely, okay, they're gonna basically create some more FOMOs, right, above $1, especially above $2. Once we take a look at the XRP USD, you will understand exactly what I'm saying regarding XRP above $2. Could be, guys, could be it, man. Could be it, man. Because once we pump above $3, that's it, guys. $2, $3, to get to $10 will be an easy shot, right? It's not going to be that hard to get to $10 once we pump above all-time high, right? Something to just keep in mind, right? The more I'm seeing XRP pumping, the more I'm FOMOing. I don't know why, but no, man. I'm becoming like Jude, man. Still looking for 589, man. I'm telling you. So now let's take a look at XRP now again on a 50-day cycle, right? So you take a look at XRP on the 50-day cycle, right? What we said, guys, we told you on the macro scale, okay, don't let this sucker break below this key area. 500, 1,000 sats, any buy, okay, any buy orders in that range, it is going to be a great buy, okay? Because what we're looking for XRP on the macro scale, guys, right? For these, moon boys like selling like XRP at like 1,700, 2,000 sats, they're going to be buying at like nearly 20,000 sats. Okay, so the macro scale is really, guys, calling for where? Right here. Okay, right there is like almost 10,000 sats. Okay, 10,000 sats, 10,000 sats, right here. That's another nearly, guys, that's another 5x. So 10,000 sats, and basically BTC at 100k. It means XRP will be $10. That's easy, okay? So you take a look at XRP at 20,000 sats, right? BTC at 100k, XRP going to be $20,000, right? So BTC at what, 200k, XRP will be $40, okay? BTC at 300k, XRP will be at, just about like $50, right? So if like XRP pumps to right here, it means like if we get to a 300k BTC, XRP will be $50, Okay, that's pretty easy call, man, because that's all-time high right here. If BTC, if Ethereum gonna hit like all-time high versus BTC, right, 0.12 BTC, right, you would expect like XRP to hit, you know, all-time high versus BTC at the same time, right? And we could be looking for $50 XRP, guys. It is not that crazy. It is not that crazy. It is pretty easy, guys. Easy math, okay? I don't know about 589, right? But I would put like one XRP at 588 just to make sure, okay? So, but Binance doesn't let you put you know, orders that high. So if you're a moon boy, you can do it on Binance, right? So, but don't be too much of a moon boy waiting for 589, right? Please. 500 billion XRP. 500 billion XRP is not that incredible, guys. When I was talking about this stuff back in let's go ahead and take a look at the coin market cap, right? And I'm going to show you QTUM, right? Why I was so bullish on QTUM at $1, right? $1, 150 before we talk about XRP market cap, right? So you take a look at QTUM, like we talked about it late December in our premium. What we said was like load up on QTUM and don't touch it, don't look at it, because we're gonna moonshot. That was just a look at this guy has not even started pumping yet. Okay, QTUM right here. Take a look at the market cap. We just about like, you know, 1.4 billion right now, guys. 1.4. QTUM right here. Late December, 200 million market cap, 150, right? I was saying like, guys, we gotta suck it up, because this guy gonna skyrocket, right, to the upside, and we're gonna get some crazy move. That time QTUM was like just about like $2, right, give or take. Okay, was fluctuating $2, $3, okay, in that range. So I was like, we just have to accumulate it. QTUM all-time high, almost $100. It is still like 98% down, right? And I showed you a spreadsheet and all of that. QTUM, XRP, I was like, these two guys, they highly undervalued. Okay, they can pump to the upside, we just don't know when, but once we start like the pump. And I mentioned it also, guys, I think couple months ago, a couple years ago, I can't remember really. QTUM and XRP, they moved together sometime in terms of high volatility. Okay, and basically OMG go QTUM, XRP, OMG go, we have to watch them. Okay, so especially like OMG, like right now, just about like $9, it's gonna skyrocket. Okay, it's gonna pump to the upside like crazy, all the way up to $100, right? So QTUM highly undervalued. Now you take a look at XRP market cap. Let's take a look at this moonshot. I mean, don't worry about 589. We're gonna get there next bull run. I don't think we're gonna get there this bull run, but we will see. So XRP, take a look at the market cap right here. We just about like 45 billion. Okay, 45 billion market cap. It is not a lot, guys. Last bull run, our market cap was like over 100 billion, guys. Over like 120, something like that. Let's take a look at it. We picked right here. Picked at double tap, just about like 120. 120 is not a lot. Okay, that time you take a look at XRP in terms of like in terms of dominance, right? The dominance was nearly 15% dominance, right? Back then. Let's go ahead and take a look at it right here. If I'm not mistaken, XRP is not even here. These suckers remove XRP. You kidding me? Okay. Gotta have XRP in that, man. So back in, let's see, 2017, right? XRP is blue right here. You can see like market dominance right here was like 15%, right? The current market dominance for XRP right now is like 1%, guys. 1%, right? It means like XRP could go another 15x just to basically catch up, right, with its market dominance back in like 2017. Okay, you take a look at Ethereum current dominance, like was like 16%, right, before, you know, we started like dropping since like you know, early February, something like that, right? Back then, right here, Ethereum dominance was like 26%, almost 30%. Okay, so Ethereum basically managed to regain 50% of its market dominance right there from like, you know, nearly like 26, right? Almost 30%, and pump back up to like 15-16%. So XRP could at least, guys, at least get back like to 7 to 8% market dominance, and right now we just about like 1.5%, something like that, right? 1.5%. So we got another at least 3x to 4x just to regain 50% of our market dominance we had back in like 2017. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Saka is pretty bullish. It looks great in all time frame. It looks great on the USD pair. So now let's take a look at XRP USD and what we said regarding XRP USD, right? So this guy right here is still waiting for 589, right? So you take a look at XRP on the macro scale. What we said was like, guys, okay, I'm just gonna have to repeat it because most of you guys already subscribed to my channel, right? So you guys know all this good stuff, right? And you've been waiting. Okay, I know the wait been like forever. Okay, some of you guys been waiting for 2 years, but you know, I told you, you know, Saka gonna drop down to 10 cents, right? Some of you guys didn't believe it. We did. Now after we dropped down to 10 cents, I told you we're gonna hit $10, $13, and potentially $20, right? And some of you guys, you know, been accumulating. So congratulations if you've been accumulating XRP, right? So on the macro scale, once we what we said was like once we close above the resistance right here on the 50-day cycle, that's going to be ballistic. It's just no more, you know, no more resistance, guys. I'm just scared like this guy just gonna pump so hard. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It could do it like very soon, man. So 50-day cycle, we just need to close above 63. Remember my last videos, guys, the last couple of videos, what I said, the 50-day cycle, if we close above 63, that's it. Now we're closing above $1. So it means like any dips, right, afterward, it is going to be a second chance. Okay, can we retest like 63, 65 and so on? Yes, it can. Okay, it can retest it after we close the candle. So don't be a moon boy, right, and not expecting XRP to cool off. It can on the macro scale. Okay, so it means like, you know, we could dump like on a weekly basis, right, because 50 days, right, you got like what, how many weeks? Almost like 5, what, nearly like what, 8 weeks, right? Something like that, right? You got like nearly 8 weeks, right? 6 to 8 weeks. So we could dump like for 1 week just to retest like some supports on a lower degree, but it will not affect the macro scale because the 50-day cycle won't care. Okay, it won't care about like any dump down to like a 78, 72. All right, so we're gonna be looking to challenge within the next 50 days right here, $2. That's it. By May 30th, trying to close above $2 because the next candle gonna close, gonna open on the 11th, right, in 5 days, next 50-day cycle, and it is gonna close on May 30th. So by June, if we can close above $2, guys, I think that's going to be the real moonshot, man. That's going to be the real moonshot. So let's just keep that in mind. Saka is pretty Julish, and the Julishness is kind of like crazy. I don't know how to explain it, but when I take a look at XRP on a macro scale, I just want to keep on buying. Okay, never get enough, right? So let's keep that in mind. Data moving. Data is moving, guys. We know that. Okay, we're gonna take a look at data. So now let's take a look at XRP on the quarterly. So the quarterly is already, one thing I said, right, on it about XRP, it is outperforming Ether. Okay, XRP, we already on the second quarter, right? Take a look at the first 2 quarters. We up for nearly 400%, right? 400% this quarter, right there. We pump as, you know, as much as 400%, right? And you take a look at Ether. So if you've been holding Ether since like January, right? Yeah, you've been up nicely, but XRP is basically killing it. Okay, Ether is only up like 200%, right? So you like up, you know, basically you double your Ether if you basically transfer your Ether into XRP on January 1st, right? But most people could not basically anticipate like such a, you know, high volatility from XRP in Q1 and Q2, right? So quarterly it looks pretty healthy, nice close above right here. as I said, even if we do not close above the quarterly resistance, it is still okay, right? Can we miss it by like, you know, 5%, 2%? It is okay. As you can see, we opened the quarterly cycle, bang, bang. So challenge once again, $2, all right, $2, guys. We're going to the moon. Hey, what's up, Reddit? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Reddit is saying thanks a lot, King Send Crypto, for you know, all these moonshot calls, right? So if you've been holding XRP, guys, make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, enjoy the enjoy the popcorn party, and we're gonna go to the moon. Okay, we're gonna go to the moon, right? We're gonna go to the moon. I mean, we don't care about the news, okay? Yeah, somebody said we got a big news regarding the XRP case. We didn't care about the news. We did not trade the news. We did not, okay? We were bullish before the news, right? And we were bearish, right, after the news, and we were bullish again after, you know, after the news again, okay? Before this, the next news, whatever you want to call it, right? So we trade the chart. We don't care, okay? When XRP dumped, what I said, guys, it is okay. It is okay. Even if it dumps, right, we will go to the moon. Okay, we're gonna buy the dip all the way down. Anything below 15 cents right here, like actually 22 cents all the way down to 17, we nailed it. We said, oh, it's okay. Okay, if we drop down, like retest the March lows, it could just weak to the downside. Okay, so anything below this range was just a, you know, I would say a second chance, right, for the XRP haters, right, to basically jump on board, right? So now everybody gonna be moonshotting XRP and pumping it, right? So you know, keep that in mind, man. So we got like multiple members, like Dan XRP, been holding XRP for like 10 years. I'm joking, about 3 years, right? So been pretty faithful, and now it is time to go to the moon, right? I mean, good news is good news, but what I'm saying is trading the market based on news gonna get you wrecked. Okay, most people sold, right? Sold out right here, even before the dump. I mean, it's okay if you sold before the dump, but did not buy the dump. That's the thing. They're gonna be buying XRP above $1, okay? Even above $5, right? Even above $5. This sucker looks pretty bullish, man. Oh my gosh, take a look at this, man. It's just amazing, man. The chart, it's one of the most beautiful chart, man. I'm telling you, it's one of the most beautiful chart. The bull flag starting December 17, you know, final capitulation right here, another capitulation right here, still managing to break above resistance. That's just amazing, okay? That's just amazing, man. Yeah, we predict the news. We don't trade the news. we predict the news. You go ahead and tell me, most of these coins, like what, like Litecoin, okay, not even Litecoin, but Harmony, okay, you know, FET storage. We traded the market before the news, like QTUM. I'm pretty sure QTUM about to get a good news. I don't know what it is, right? They're about to get a good news, but we predicted the news, right, before it came out, okay? So OMG about to get a good news. KNC, they're all gonna get good news. It is bull market. You have to be careful with the news. Just have Tesla's about to get a good news, okay? We call for Tesla's $80. Load up $2, $3, $4. Anything below $5 for Tesla's is just a steal. Even like $8, $10, it is still a steal, okay? It is still a steal. So Tesla's just about $6. Now let's go ahead and take a look at a QTUM next. So we're gonna talk about BTC, but BTC is just consolidating right now. We want to talk about the moonshots. I don't want to you know, miss these moonshots, right, and all that good stuff. So BTC is not that incredible as of now. We're gonna talk about it during our next live stream, right? So one thing I taught you guys, if you've been following Send Crypto long enough, I told you one thing, guys. Your 3-day 100 EMA, right? It is going to be your second best friend. Your first best friend going to be your 3-day 21 EMA. Any moves, okay, above the 100 EMA, just like what we got right now. Going to be explosive. Going to be explosive. That's why most of my April picks, right, they already above the 100 EMA. Okay, I intentionally, okay, pick those, okay, like POA, you know, all that good stuff, right? So if you in our premium, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, most of my basically February picks, they were below the 21 EMA. Okay, so they managed, some of them like FET, CHR, COIT, they managed to break, right, or at least retest August high, right? And you notice, well, this guy right here is just breaking out. The move is just starting. Most people are going to be waiting, but the waiting game was right here. That's the same thing that will happen on Tezos. Once we break out above like 14,000, 15,000 sats, people are going to be waiting, but the waiting game is going to be over. It's already done. Okay, it's moonshot game right now. Moonshot game. We're going to play color game. green, 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 green. That's the color game right there, right? So beautiful setup right here. We're going to be looking for right here up to like nearly 30,000 or even like 50,000 sats right there. Okay, so but we've been accumulating right here, so we said it. Okay, we said accumulate right there. Okay, especially after the February rejection, we understood exactly what was going on, and we basically said it can come back down. We're just gonna suck it up, just like AST. You see what I'm saying? Just gonna suck it up and take it to the moon. So QTUM on the move. Okay, that's our second target right here. 25,000 sats, guys, from like 1,000 sats. Bang. Okay, that's nearly like 3.5, right? So versus BTC. China will release COVID-19 coin next. Hey, what's up, Jerome? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Filecoin pump because China blah blah blah. I don't know Filecoin. Like I said, I'll give you Filecoin. We talk about Filecoin like after the market dumps. Okay, I've been watching Filecoin since December, so I knew exactly what Filecoin was doing. I knew it was gonna hit like $200, potential up to $400. So when I gave it, it was ready. I didn't care about the news. All right, you take care of the news, I'll take care of the chart. Okay, just tell me the news, right? And I'll tell you what the chart is saying. That's all you have to do, man. That's all. Hey, what's up, Farouk? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hey guys, you know what you need to, guys, what you guys need to do, right? Just go ahead and do this. If you're watching, like, let's say you're not watching the live stream, you're watching like the you know, you're late in the game, right? Like K for Liberty, right? Just hit the likes, right? K for Liberty, always hit the likes, okay? And subscribe, and basically make a comment, right? Go ahead and do that so you can support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, guys. All of you guys are going to be future millionaires, so do not be stingy about a thumbs up. Okay, if you want to be a millionaire, right, do not be stingy about a thumbs up. Okay, if you're already a millionaire and you don't want to be broke next bear market, hit the likes. Okay, I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna give you the best setups during the bear market also. So if you're already making it big, hit the likes. Okay, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. We're all gonna be all gonna be filthy rich. Okay, not just rich, but we're gonna be filthy rich. Okay, XRP will make us. So now let's go ahead and move on to OMG. So OMG BTC, guys, our premium been killing it. Beautiful setup. I don't know when we're gonna get there. I try not to answer when. I just try to answer, you know, what the chart is doing as of now and where we could go. But when, I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Once again, guys, please stop asking when, right? Because when you ask when, it means like you're gonna be very impatient and you're not gonna wait for the moonshot. Okay, just avoid the when. Okay, and look at the chart. Be patient. Okay, so sucker is above the 21. Okay, still consolidating. Looks pretty beautiful, but one thing we just have to keep in mind, right, it is also a bearish setup. It can still do this. Okay, so don't be don't panic if we get this move before getting this move. Okay, don't panic. Okay, something to just keep in mind, because sometimes these type of a setup, they don't basically go vertical. That's the only downside regarding OMG, right? But the directional move, it is still up. Okay, so timing could be wrong, just like XDZ, just in case we do something like this, drag down and then pump to the upside like second code. I don't think it will. I'm still bullish, but I just want you guys to be aware of it, so you guys won't be selling your coins if like we see a pullback. Instead of basically adding to it, you guys gonna give up. Okay, not financial advice, right? But sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, we're gonna be looking for like 50,000 over the next like a few months, right? So keep that in mind, right? So now let's move on to Cava. Cava BTC, one of the top coins to keep in mind. Beautiful setup. Cava, RLC, KNC, they got pretty much similar setup. Okay, so sucker, basically what we said last time was like it is still bullish. Any dips, right, got to load up, man, got to scoop up, right? But it seems like we're not going to get any dips, right? So best thing to do is just huddle it all the way up to basically nearly 40,000. Right now we just about like 12,000. Okay, so that's another basically 3 to 4x move coming up, okay, from Cava, right? So Cava USD, we also got some crazy setups, right? Potentially all the way up to basically 13, 14, even $20, right? Low sell volume, beautiful increase in volume right here. As you can see on the macro scale, is just going crazy, man, going crazy, man. So Cava, we started buying in our premium, like even public group. I'll give you guys Cava back in like I think when sucker was like $1.20, $1.30 right here, right? And we had a target up to like 250, and I upgraded it and I said, let's just suck it up. We can go all the way up to $5, right? And right now we're like $7. So guys, $1.30 to $7. You only get these type of setups with Cent Crypto. Okay, that's 500% move from the bottom, guys. Killing it, guys. Hit the likes, guys. Don't be like Jude Moonboy, man. Hit the likes. Okay, Jude only hit the likes when XRP is pumping, so don't be like Jude. Okay, Jude is still waiting for 589, guys. If you don't know who's Jude, he's gonna show very quickly in the chat room. All right, guys, so Cava looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and take a look at KNC. So KNC, Cava Network, I gave you guys, once again, we talked about KNC during a special live stream, just like we haven't talked about EWT, right, in a special live stream, but we will, okay, because EWT is giving us the same exact setup right here. So beautiful move, guys. Broke out right here, looking for like 7,000. Right now we're just about 6,000, and we're gonna moonshot, guys. We're gonna moonshot, right? So keep an eye on Cava. So if you haven't watched my Cava video, right, go ahead and watch it right here. It's right there. Can I find you? Come on, right there. Okay, so we talk about Icon, Cava, AirSwap, AST, right? All of them up, right? Okay, so we talk about it also right here, I think, right before the pump. So right here, okay, you can go ahead and watch this one. It's kind of long, but you definitely can. That's like over a week ago, right, before the moonshot. So now let's go ahead and move on to IOTA. IOTA BTC, I like IOTA BTC. Sucker is still 80% down, nearly, right, versus the US. Oh, take a look at IOTA. IOTA is on a massive bull flag, man. Oh, man, I don't know, should I FOMO on IOTA or should FOMO on XRP, man? But IOTA looks pretty healthy, okay? Our premium, we've been buying IOTA 1,000 sats also, right? 1,000, 1,200, just about like 1,000 to 1,200, right there at the bottom. And it already hit target like 3x. we just need to break above the weekly 100 EMA. Right now we consolidating just about like above the 100 EMA right here. So that's enough consolidation from IOTA, especially like, you know, after we spend like nearly, guys, like 2 months above the 100 EMA. Most of the time these suckers don't stay like you know 8 weeks above the 100 EMA just to consolidate. After a break above it, they just tend to basically keep on rock and rolling, right? So, but IOTA, we got enough consolidation. I don't think like the next move going to be a fake out. Okay, take a look at the move right here, guys. We just need to break like 4,000, right? Another 30% breakout, give or take, right? 4,000 to yeah, just about 4,000 right here, the max, right? And then we're gonna go to the moon, right? The moon could be 6,000 right here, right? And after that, we got all the way up to like 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 sats is basically showing up on XRP, and it is also showing up on IOTA. Okay, but I think, once again, guys, I think IOTA has a better chance to get to 10,000 sats first. All right, something to just keep in mind, right? Because IOTA is already at 3,000, XRP is like 17,000 sats, right? So something to get, but both of them, guys, they bottom right around like 700 sats, right? So 700, 500. So XRP got some catch up to do, right? XRP 105, guys, we're going to the moon. Whoa, take a look at this sucker right here. Beautiful, beautiful, guys, beautiful. Yeah, man, XRP is pumping, man. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart for the moon boys. The 5-minute chart, 6:45 a.m. So we hit a $1.10, $1.09, like before the 12-hour candle open right there, and we are seeing a capitulation right here just to retest the 15 minutes 100 EMA. Yep, most alt, they retested their 15 minutes 100 EMA right here. I woke up in the morning, I saw like a dump, like a big dump, like you know, from Litecoin. I'm like, what's going on? So I had to check the lower degree, and all of them retested their 15 minutes 100 EMA. I was like, oh, it's okay, because last time we retested it was like before the breakout, so it is okay right here. You know, it was like April 4th, right? That's when we basically retested the 15 minutes 100 EMA, so it is okay to you know, and we're gonna get the next moonshot right here. But keep an eye on this move also, right? Just in case we get rejected and bear's gonna come out and say, oh, XRP going to zero. We're just gonna buy the dip right here. Okay, 89, just about like 90, right, to like a 92 range. Okay, that's going to be our next support area. The volume is pretty low. Look at the selling pressure right here. No one is selling, everybody's buying, right? We might not even get this move, right? So the correction could be done already. Like, could just look at it like this, okay, like that. That's the correction. And moonshot going to be this moonshot. That's also possible, right? But be open-minded, don't be a moon boy, right? And not being ready for the opposite direction, right? So now I think we talked about a QTUM, OMG, Cava, KNC, IOTA. Let's go ahead and take a look at DATA. So DATA, one of our favorite picks, been consolidating massively. Okay, if you look at the move right here, guys. Hopefully you guys caught it, right? I don't know if I showed you that. I don't think I showed you this move, right? Let's see. That was like 30, yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah, but you guys know this move, right? Whenever you see it, you gotta know that's a continuation pattern, right? And I think we getting it on VeChain. I think VeChain, right? VeChain. Vet. I think Vet BTC is doing the same thing. I think I saw it yesterday. Right here, yeah. VTCs are kind of ugly, but let's see. What was that move? Yep, that move right here. Double top, double bottom right there. Okay, before the continuation. So if you go back to data, the ATA, BTC, take a look at on the 3-day, 2-day. So this guy is moonshining, man. Blasted off. Okay. We're gonna look for the 600 to 700 range. Kind of got rejected right at 550. Me, I'm a moon boy. I think I put my take profits right there, 625. Looking to close 50% at 625. But sucker got rejected at 548, 589, just like XRP. Actually 548, not 589. Yeah, but it is still a moonshot. That's just the first pump, right? So now guys, I'm gonna take a look at your, if you ask any question, right, re-ask it again. So I won't have to go through the chat room. Okay, if you send a super chat, I will definitely see it. I won't have to basically go through the chat, right? So Kendris is asking about ELF. So Kendris, ELF is also a moonshot. ELF took care of us last summer. Oh, ELF is a moonshot too, man. It is a moonshot right there. Okay, that's another DATA. So ELF, it is still a hold. Okay, Kendris, you're already in our premium, right? So we're gonna talk about ELF later on, right? The drama queen is asking for NRG BTC. YouTube is basically, I don't know, YouTube is messing with my channel. That's why I'm not getting more views. Like, but I'm giving like one of the best analysis. That I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm pretty sure, because the way I look at the market, you got like very few people. I don't even know anyone looking at the market the way like the way I'm doing it. Okay, like very few people, okay, are able to make these type of calls, right? And doesn't matter which asset, not just BTC, not just XRP, but some low cap alt, guys, from $1 million, right, market cap, to basically 20, 30, 40 million dollar market cap, from $30 million market cap to like nearly $2 billion market cap. Only Sun Crypto is making those calls, right? And you can go back, I mean, I can show you like in my premium, all those setups, like back in November, we were ready for the bull market. Okay, November, guys, remember I was a bear. I mean, I know you guys know I've been a bear throughout the summer. Okay, but October, okay guys, first week of October, I remember very well. Okay, in my premium, October 6th, okay, I can release that video also, right? October 6th, I said, guys, if this happen, right, if we get this setup to take place, right, we're going to the moon with BTC. Okay, October 6th. Okay, and we've been pumping since like what, first week of October, guys. That's it. Okay. So even like the moon boys, right, did not expect 30k BTC. When we were talking about 44k BTC, people, you know, been saying, oh, we're gonna get rejected at 20k and we're gonna dump back down to you know, fill the gap and all that good stuff. I'm like, man, market doesn't work that way. Just because I'm bearish doesn't mean like, you know, after BTC pump to 20k, I'm gonna be bearish still and looking for like, you know, low prices and all that good stuff, right? But bulls, you know, they slept on BTC after we pump above 20k, because they just been screaming, oh, higher prices. But I'm telling you, man, most of these bulls, they've been bearish since like 20k. Okay, they've been bearish since like, they hiddenly been bearish, right? Like some bulls still waiting for weekly 21, right? We're not waiting for weekly 21. We're killing it with alt. BTC been moving sideways for 50 days, guys. That's why the 50-day cycle is so important. Okay, very, very important. So NRG, so let's go back to NRG. So NRG, what I told you, I don't know why I deleted the setup, but I think that's the right setup. So NRG, let's take a look at on a 3-day basis. So it is on a bull flag. What we said was like this range right here, exactly what I showed you. We got the triangular formation. We're going to be breaking out to the upside up to the 2-day 100 EMA. We did not quite hit the 2-day 100 EMA at 80,000 sats. Not 80,000, 8,000 sats. However, okay, the rejection is weak. What does it mean? A weak rejection. It means, okay, it is just a bull flag. Okay, it is just a bull flag. Now, you know, you got multiple type of bull flags, right? Okay, you got, when we talk about bull flag, we say you can get this type of bull flag where you get A, B, and C, right? You could get, where this sucker is, right here. You could get a bull flag like that also, pretty similar, right? Right, and you're gonna get a rapid drop, right? A, B, C, D, and E, right? That's also a bull flag. Or you could also get something like that, right? Right there, and you're gonna get something, one, double top, double bottom. Double top, double bottom is my favorite one, right? You got other multiple, you got other, you know, bull flags too, like you know, you know, falling wedge and all that good stuff like that, right? But I like the double top, double bottom. It is one of the most powerful one, right? Because you can basically notice the resistances right here, right? And the supports right there. That's pretty clear, okay? But this one, you just don't know, okay? This type of a setup, you cannot basically anticipate them, because you don't know if they're going to be able to hit the top or not. It is something that you just have to wait for it to play out, okay? For instance, you're going to see the setup after everything is done, right? You'll be like, okay, we got a triangular formation. You see what I'm saying? But this type of setups right here, you can anticipate it, right? You can wait exactly at the top to just short it, okay? You don't need to short. So double top, double bottom is my favorite one. I like the triangular formation also. The wedge pattern, I like it, especially after we, you know, break above the 6-hour 21 EMA after a wedge pattern like that. You know, price action pump above the 21 EMA, MACD on a 6-hour cross hit bullish, bang, that's going to be a moonshot, right? Beautiful, beautiful setup. That's the type of setup I think we got on BTC on the macro scale, right? We got one like that on the macro scale, right? So if you take a look at NRG, we don't have any type of correction right here. All we have is just like a you know, you could call it a wedge pattern, right, as of now. So one thing we have to do is just like accumulate all the way down to the 2-day 21, because you don't know what type of correction you're gonna get, but you know it is just correcting, right? It is just correcting, okay? So if we get the double top, double bottom, it is okay, okay? If we get a triangular formation, it is okay. If we get a wedge pattern, it is okay, because the volume is low. Moonshot is coming. That's it. That's what is it calling. All right. So keep an eye on NRG. So it is at the very bottom. Could go all the way up to like nearly, like, guys, 40,000. Okay, nearly 40,000 right here, right? If everything works out. Hey, what's up, Cairo, man? Hey, Cairo, Mr. Kai. Hopefully you did not sell your KAI. Thanks a lot for the tip, man. That Finnish guy, that red guy in the house. Thanks a lot for the tip, man. That Finnish guy. We're gonna take a look at Harmonic, right? So let's take a look at BRD, bird, right? So bread, not bird. Bread looks pretty juicy. Okay, looks pretty juicy, right? It looks pretty juicy. Just suck it up. Okay, not financial advice, right? Suck it up right here. We suck it up. We're about to get a very explosive move, right? Very, very explosive move, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at Kai. I think you asked me about Kai last time, right? So whenever I see that coin, I think about your question, right? So second, you know, I think we talked about it a while back when it was right here. So it got the job done. It is just bull flagging right now, so it is still a hold, right? It is still a hold. That's the type of a correction I just tried to explain to you. Sometimes you just don't know what type of correction you're gonna get, right? So you just have to be patient, right? But it has pumped a lot, so it might be moving sideways while the rest of the alt are pumping, right? August high is right here, so we're definitely gonna get there up to like a 40,000. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 400, not 40,000. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at a Harmony. 1 BTC. Yeah, 1 BTC. It is dumping. Hopefully, it did not buy it at the top, right? Hopefully, it did not buy the top, because it already hit our target like 250 in our premium and even go much higher. That's why I keep saying don't sell out. Always leave some, right? So that way, you know, you're not gonna be FOMOing, right? So Harmony, we could be retesting the 2-day 21 right there at 200 sats. On the daily basis, we broke the daily 21. That's not good at all. You know, price action below the 21. MACD already crossed bearish. The only good news, okay, we could speculate about regarding Harmony is like volume is decreasing, price is decreasing, but at the same time buying pressure is also decreasing. Okay, so it means like we could be going through a correction, right? So we just have to let it cool off, right, till we retest actually the 2-day 21. Okay, but if you check out my premium, right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you our Harmony setup. We got in like 10 sats, 13 sats, 20 sats, right? November, I think November 7th, November 12th, that's when we sent the setup, right? But the news, okay, came out 3 months later, okay, but we already 20x that sucker already, right? This guy looks pretty juicy, man. This guy looks pretty juicy, man. This guy looks pretty juicy, man. Whenever I see the double top, double bottom, I just have to mention it, guys. I just have to mention it, man. Double top, double bottom right here, okay, on XLM, right? Let's take a look at 1 BTC. Icon. It's 4 o'clock. Okay, 1 BTC, let's take a look at it on a 3-day basis right here. Okay, right here. Okay, that's what you get with Send Crypto. You want to get like, oh man, it looks pretty nice on a 3-day basis though. I don't know why when I was looking at it on my other layout, yeah, it looks pretty nice on a 3-day basis sell off right here. Okay, so that's our basically a setup right here. Primary buy range 25, 30, dollar cost average all the way down here. Okay, right there. Okay, 16, 18, and so on. So we took it all the way up. Okay, the first take profit 100 to basically 120, and basically second take profits 230 to 250. Let the rest run. Okay, that's how we killed it. Okay, that's how we kill it. So any dips all the way down to 2-day 21, that's going to be a good buy, guys. So let me see. Thanks a lot, Kai. Thanks a lot, that finisher guy. Cannibal Wealth in a house. Thanks a lot, Cannibal Wealth. Alex in a house. Shavar in a house. Yo, Shavar, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. Garlandia in a house, asking for name. Name OXT Zilliker. Guys, make sure to hit the likes, man. Make sure to hit the likes and share the content, guys. Share the content so we can go to the moon, all right? iMail in the house. Thanks a lot, iMail, for tuning in. Where can I buy XRP? Oh my gosh. Ivan in a house. Ivan P in a house. Ahmad in a house. So now let's go ahead and take a look at OXT, guys. I'm just basically checking the latest request. So I won't have to go and scroll up. OXT BTC. So OXT BTC still a good hold, right? Got rejected for the second time. We pumped to 1700 again. That's okay, man. That's okay. It's gonna blast up. It's gonna blast up. Okay. So just hit range right here, 1800 to 20,000, but it is still a good hold, man. I wouldn't be messing with it right now. Still got a bag of OXT. Not messing with it. Billy in a house. Let's go ahead and take a look at ZIL BTC. Looks nice, guys. Still looking to break the 380. Cannot break 380. After 380 going to be a moonshot. Looks pretty juicy. Okay, looks pretty juicy. Let's move on to NEM XEM BTC. XEM BTC. XEM BTC. It is at buy range. 600 to 400 sats. It dumped right here, so most people gave up, but it is still good time to put in some profits and let it go. Okay, beautiful divergence right here, so still got plenty of time to recover. I don't think that is it for NEM, right? Still got plenty of time. Yeah, XRP you can buy it on KuCoin. Yeah. No cipher BTC. I don't think it has enough. Yeah, it didn't have enough. Yeah, it's time to start accumulating again. It's been moving. You gotta understand, when something is moving sideways, you try to understand like why it is moving sideways. It is moving sideways because it got rejected back in February. Everything been moving sideways since February. Not everything, but most alt that pumped since like late December, early January pumped a lot. They moved sideways. Okay, between like mid-February till basically first week of April. Okay, you gotta understand the cycle, man. You gotta understand the cycle. Okay, you cannot just give up and trying to chase like these alt already above like August high or even like February high. Okay, it is moving sideways because it needed to recover. And if you notice, while it seems like we're at 0.618. Bang, guys, bang. Good time to be buying this sucker right here. Okay, time to be buying. Moonshot. Okay, moonshot. Hey, what's up, Imel? Thanks a lot, man. Let's go ahead and move on to Zilliqa for Miss Imel. So ZIL USD. Let's take. I think Imel wants ZIL USD and IOTX. ZIL, because I just talked about ZIL BTC, right? So ZIL USD in a nice channel right here, just like BTC. Okay, first week of January correction, second week of February correction, March correction. Now we're looking to a blast off, right? Looking to blast off. You just have to be cautious. Even though sucker is pretty bullish going forward, we need to blast off like crazily to the upside. Okay, we cannot lag anymore because we about to get to the most craziest bearish range right here. If we get rejected, we're gonna have to suck it up and drop all the way down. Okay, but it looks pretty good. Volume is low while we pumping, so during a bear market you would be shorting this sucker, but in a bull market this sucker is just gonna give you a violent move, right? That's what I see. Okay, that's what I see. Okay, because the BTC pair, right, still needs to pump up to 600. So I don't see why the USD pair is going to be bearish. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to IOTX. IOTX still look good, right? In our premium email, you already know about IOTX, right? So you are in the premium, so you know we've been accumulating the sucker right here. Okay, so hasn't retested the 140 to 150 yet, so it is still a crazy hold, right? Could slow down around like 100 sats, but it is still okay. If we slow down right now, that's going to be better. Like if we dump right now back to like 60 sats, that's going to be better, because it means like we got the momentum to crush the resistance right here. However, if it just, you know, bulls just want to pump without correcting, right, sucker could basically, you know, correct right here. Okay, it could just correct in time, so the correction might not be a deep one. Okay, it could just correct like just in time, but not in price. But I mean like in price, correct like heavily down. Okay, but it could correct sideways. Still a hold. That's the end game, right? Aeon, let's go ahead and take a look at it's already. So guys, go ahead and do your homework, right? Go ahead and subscribe, right? Hit the likes, hit the notification, right? Join Send Crypto public Telegram group and Send Crypto Discord public Telegram group. Okay, we got a special offer, guys. Special offer. It is gonna expire in less than 24 hours. Okay, Send Crypto Premium Bull Market Special Q2. Okay, we're going to the moon. Q1 we already landed. Okay, but we came back down on Earth just to reload. You see what I'm saying? So the second trip, you don't want to miss the second trip to the moon, right? We already been there. You haven't been to the moon yet? It is time, guys. It is time. I'm telling you, it is time. We went to the moon with BNB. We went to the moon with Filecoin. We went to the moon with storage. We're going to the moon with XRP. You're already, you know, on board on XRP, right? But we got other setups, guys. Okay, we got some empty seats. Buy your flight ticket, guys. We're going to the moon. Okay, we're going to the moon. Hit the likes, subscribe, join Send Crypto Premium. You don't want to miss the next trip to the moon, right? So we're not going to tell you how it feels, but to be at the moon, but you got to be able to join. Okay, IML can tell you. Okay, IML already been to the moon, right? So Johnny Rivera in a house. Johnny is asking a very, very important question. How do you know? Okay, Johnny is saying, Send Crypto, how in the world, okay, do you know which coin will break out? Okay, that's pretty easy, guys. That's pretty easy. That's very, very, very easy. It means, guys, you don't trade the coins, right, on the hourly. You're not going to trade these suckers on the, you know, not even on the daily. Okay, the lowest time frame you have to trade these coins, right, it is going to be your 3-day to 2-day time frame. Okay, that's the best way. Thanks a lot, Ahmed. Thanks a lot. We're going to take a look at Theta, right? So basically, when you pay attention to thanks a lot, Jerome. Okay, so best thing to do is just pay attention to your 3-day 21 and your 3-day 100 EMA. Okay, and follow Send Crypto. That's the best thing to do. That's the best way to know how to basically buy these suckers, right, on a monthly basis, and they're still going to be giving you a good return, right? We've been doing it since when? Since January. Okay, January, February, March, April, all those picks pumped. Okay, because our strategy is the best. Is the best strategy. Okay, we buy just about above the 21 EMA right here. If you were in our premium, you would be buying right here. Okay, just about like 30 sats. But this sucker, we started buying like 20, 30 sats, something like that, right here also, right? IOTX, IOST, and all of them, Harmony, FET, okay, above the 21 EMA, right? Sometimes we be very aggressive when we get the sense of a bull market. We know the market going to be returning to the, reversing, right? We're going to be buying below the 21 EMA. But for some very, very special coins, not all coins, but the special ones, right? The special ones, right? Some of these coins, I'm pretty familiar with them. I can be aggressive. I can buy below the 21 because I know exactly what I'm doing, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ahmed Tater. I don't know how to spell Tater anymore, man. This sucker pumped so hard, man. It got me. I don't know if I told you about Tater. It wrecked me one time, right? Back in the summer. It's Tater and Monero. Both of them wrecked me like at the same time. I got double wrecked. Right here, okay? I think that's when I got wrecked. No. Right here. Right here. Hey guys, we all get wrecked, okay? If you're leveraging and you never got wrecked, it means that you're doing something wrong. Not you're doing something right, but you're doing something completely wrong. You have to get wrecked, man. You have to get that email. When you get that email like, oh, dear customer, we just wanted to notify you, you got liquidated. So right here, I was trying to short this sucker right there, but sucker pumped it upside, right? But it looks pretty healthy on the 3-day basis right there. Okay, low sell volume right there. You can catch it also if you're trying to buy the dip. Try to catch it at the 2-day 21 once again and 3-day 21, because sucker is pretty ballistic right now. It's pretty jullish. You cannot be looking at like the hourly basis, right? It's so overextended. Okay, so overextended. And if you take a look at the hourly, it doesn't look bad at all. All right. You got this move. You got a descending triangle. Bear is gonna be happy to see a descending triangle, but I wouldn't short it. Okay, I would go with the uptrend. Okay, we'd go with the uptrend. Okay, and if it drops below the descending triangle, right, then we follow the 3-day 21 right here. So guys, let me know if you never got wrecked leveraging, right? And if you got wrecked before, you don't have to say anything, okay? Because we all do, okay? We all do. Nothing wrong to say I got wrecked, man. When I first started leveraging, when I get wrecked, I say, hey, man, I'm closing my position, right? But once you get used to getting wrecked, I mean, it's just part of the market, man. You're gonna get wrecked. That's all it is, right? And you'll be like, man, I need to basically, I need to basically be careful with this high 50x and all that good stuff, right? But once you start doing 2x, right? 2x, 3x, 9 out of 10, you're not gonna get wrecked. Okay, 9 out of 10, 2 to 3x, you're not gonna get wrecked. Okay, you're not gonna get wrecked. All you have to do is just go with the market, right? So yeah, sucker is pretty good, okay? It's looking pretty good. If it dumps, okay, just buy the dip at the 2-day 21. Not financial advice, right? You only get wrecked once every 3 days. It's part of the market, man. Don't feel ashamed to say I got wrecked. There's nothing wrong with it. Because when we make money, right, we all over the place. My bag is pumping, right? If your bag is pumping, your bag must wreck you before it pumped, right? All of us. At least one of our bag wrecked us really bad. Like, even if you're not leveraging, they wreck you because you've been holding for so long and they're not pumping, right? OXT, we already talked about OXT, Kang. Wi-Fi, let's go ahead and take a look at Wi-Fi. So guys, make sure to join Send Crypto Premium if you don't want to get wrecked, right? Join Send Crypto Premium. So you take these, you know, so we're gonna basically take these macro setups where we just sit tight, relax, you know, wait for the market to do the work. Oh, that's all we have to do, guys. We're gonna make more profits than leveraging. Okay, leveraging is just fun for the short term, right? Till it wrecks you, right? But these suckers, they're never gonna wreck you. They just, you know, they're just gonna move sideways for a very long time before they treat you well, right? But they're never gonna wreck you. So beautiful setup right here. We talk about it. You know, we got a setup in our premium. Started buying right here, right there, right here, but it did not break a bit. That's Wi-Fi 2. Yeah. Started buying right here, right? Pump to the upside by retesting the lows right here. So nothing wrong. Okay, if it breaks it, it is okay. It can still retest right here. It is still going to be a hold. It means like BTC could be breaking out. So if it doesn't break out before BTC breaks out, we might get a delay. That's all it means. Okay, that's all it means. The BTC pair might be dumping, but the USD pair might be still going up, right? Yeah, the market has no love, man. That's why I called it suckers. Right, all these suckers, they don't have no love, man. Can you have a look on Aeon? So Aeon BTC, it is one of our April top pick. Let's do this because you guys getting all my premium setups, man. I'm treating you too well, guys. I'm treating you guys too good, guys. All right, it is already 1 hour 15 minutes, guys. So we're gonna talk about one more coin before we call it a day. So guys, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes so we can talk about the last coin. Ready to blast off, right? Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi. This guy's going for Aeon. AIOZ. Oh, AIOZ. Okay. So you gotta give a full ticker symbol, okay? It doesn't have enough history for me to do anything. It can go up or it can go down. Okay. I really don't know on this one, right? So let's move on to we didn't talk about BTC today. We're gonna talk about BTC tonight, man. I don't think nothing is going on with BTC. We talked about everything we needed to know regarding BTC. I think Litecoin is the only thing we need to talk about right now because we got a moon boy in the house. OVO is an old school, right? He only trades Litecoin. So just like me, I don't only trade Litecoin, but I like Litecoin, man. I'm not in love with Litecoin, but I like Litecoin. Yeah. So Litecoin, what we said was like we did have a remember the correction I just showed you, right, regarding the ABC correction and a potential D and E, right? So it seems like we're not going to get the E right here. So what does it mean? It means like we're already going to the moon right now. Okay, so Litecoin looks pretty good. Okay, in our premium, right, we've been doing good with Litecoin. It is moving slow, but it's not wrecking us. Even though like OVO is long in it and all that good stuff, right, it's not wrecking us. Okay, we've been doing pretty well. Okay, we bought right here, right, this double top double bottom as I showed you, right here, and we took it to the upside. Okay, it dumped down here, we accumulated again and took it to the upside. It dropped down here, we accumulated again and we taken it to the upside. So we've been doing pretty well on Litecoin. We buying every dip. Okay, every dip it is an add-on. Okay, Litecoin macro scale, go ahead on my channel, right, and you can see Litecoin update, the Litecoin update right here. It's only like 9 minutes. Okay, right there. Okay, so you know exactly what we're talking about, right? VChain macro scale right here, Tezos macro scale is right there, right? RSR macro scale is right there, right? Only got like 589 watching, 589 views, right? RSR. Neo macro scale, I'm gonna update Neo macro scale. I'm gonna upgrade my target, right? I'm not gonna tell you the target I'm gonna upgrade it to, but sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, very jullish. Okay, so we talk about BZRX, you know, SXP and all of that good stuff right here. So you need to go back, watch these videos, right? Watch these videos because they're very important. They're gonna let you know what's going on right now. Most of the time, guys, I'm giving you macro scale. Macro scale, it is not something like you're expecting to happen right now. Okay, it is something you expect. You basically try to, you know, expect at least 3 to 6 months, at least. Okay, 9 months gonna give you the 100x, right? 3 to 6 months gonna give you, you know, 10 to 50, right? Give or take, right? But these moon boys, man, moon boys likes moon boys like 100x, man. So let's go ahead and take a look at a short-term trade, guys, to keep an eye on. Definitely link going back up to like a $40 right there, 36 to 40. So keep an eye on link, okay? Short-term trade. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the last coin, right? It is going to be DGB. I'm going to try to give you guys from now on, at the end of every live stream, we're going to talk about a moonshot setup, okay? So DigiByte looks pretty bullish, okay? DigiByte looks pretty bullish. Okay, let's take a look at it on the 3-day basis. So on the 3-day basis, okay, we double tapping right here. Okay, we double tapping right here, just like OXT. So I think like OXT and DigiByte could be moving at the same time to the moon. And you know, we got a nice support right here, right? Beautiful bear resistance right there. Beautiful. So we did have the, you know, I sent it in our, you know, public group, right? If you're in our basically Telegram group, we said buy DigiByte right here below 100 sats, and that time DigiByte was below the 3-day 21, right? When we said buy DigiByte, right? So it is already up like nearly 100%, and we haven't even like seen an explosive move, right? So if it dips right here down to like 120, 130 and all that good stuff, that's going to be a very good level to add on for the bulls right there. It might not do it, okay? It could just blast off, okay? Because if you take a look at DGB, BTC on Bittrex, right? We on a big triangular formation, just like XRP. That's what I'm trying to tell you, okay? That's what I was trying to tell you earlier regarding XRP. It looks like another asset ready to blast off, right? So DigiByte, you know, it's time to load up, man. I mean, it's time to load up. Okay, it's time to load up on this sucker going into the summer, right? And we still below the weekly 100 EMA right here, so it is still, you know, we got plenty of time to buy. Okay, got plenty of time to buy it. Plenty of time. Okay, any dips, it is going to be a second chance, right? Second chance. Hey, what's up, Nicola? Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. BTC ST doesn't have enough history, man. Doesn't have enough history. Sucker just dumped right here out of nowhere. I don't know what happened. Let's just do it. Hakanashi. Oh, Nicola, I can't do anything with this. Okay, I like the volume right here, so I would give it like few more I would give it a few more weeks. Okay, it's too early in the game to get any data on it, right? Let's see. COIT is in a bull flag. I almost took a long on that sucker, but let's see. COIT USD. Yeah, it is on a bull flag. I saw it last night, but I was already in bed. Could have noticed the double top, double bottom right here, right there. So look for the triple top. Hope you can check what mana be mainframe. Yeah, mana went to the moon, man. Wait for it on the 2-day 21 right here. Just wait for it on the 2-day 21. Yeah. I really don't like buying like assets after they go parabolic. For some reason, that's not just my style. I'm not saying like they cannot keep going up, but I like assets, you know, that just starting to pump, not like already pumped a lot. Okay, take a look at, we already pumped like up to January 2020 right there, so it still has plenty of room to go. So just give it like you know, a few more. Yeah, June, February. Yeah, give it like few more weeks, right? We still can go all the way up to like 1300. It still got plenty of time, but it is likely to correct right now, move sideways and all that good stuff, right? It could be like IOST. I don't know if you guys remember IOST BTC after the big pump, right? Remember IOST after the big pump right here, consolidated right there. So it could be something like that, right? Or FTM also did something similar. The reason why I'm telling you is like we played all of them. We nailed FTM, IOST, and all of them right here. And you can see like people still been holding IOST after the big pump right here. So you've been missing out on like many alt, right? That's why I keep saying just leave like 15 to 20% after they pump like 10 to 20x and move on to something else. Rotate instead of basically holding the sucker like for a, you know, 10, 30, you know, 10, 20, 30 weeks, right? So I mean, but it just doesn't have enough history, so I gotta get the full chart, man. So let's go back to XRP. So XRP at 105, 106 on Poloniex. XRP BTC almost at 2,000, 3,300 going to be next resistance. So it is nearly, guys, another 100% move, guys. So that could take us to $2 to $2.50, right? Sucker is pretty ballistic, guys. Munda likes, share the content, guys. Munda likes and share the content, right? You get one of the best analysis in the crypto space, guys. No FOMO, guys. No hype. Pure analysis. We make it money, guys. We're killing it. We're killing it, guys. We're killing it. We're killing it. We're killing it. Let me see. Yeah, XLM is mooning, guys. Hopefully you guys take advantage of the XLM moon, right? Because once we break above 55, we could dip down to 48, 45 range, but that could be it, man. That could be going to $1.50. vet broke out again. Nice. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Let me go back to TRB. Hopefully you guys also been following TRB. Tron, time to add on. I don't know, where's Litecoin, man? I can't find my Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin is looking to this candle gonna close in 3 hours, so closing above like 240, 238 to 240, 244 range, that's going to create a further move to the upside, right? So the correction right here is done. Yeah. Tron, let's go ahead and take a look at Tron. Guys, we were supposed to 1 inch is still pumping. Gotta talk about Tron. Are you guys ready for a dump? Let me know if you guys ready for a dump, guys. I don't see a dump, but let me know if you guys ready. And what will you do if we dump? I don't know what type of resistance you're talking about. Maybe Tron BTC. I mean, Tron BTC I've been following Tron BTC like since like August, right here, August 2018, right? And the pump from you know, nearly 250, I mean 275 to 800, right? And all the way down from 800 down to like 150, from 150 to 400, from 400 down to like, you know, nearly 100 sats. So I'm pretty familiar with Tron. so Tron cannot make a move like that is going to surprise me, right? Because I'm pretty ready for Tron. Once we break this, that might be the trend line you're talking about, right? Once we I wasn't basically following this trend line hardly, but I just been following the you know, 3-day 21 and 100 EMA. So but Tron is ready, man. Double crossover on a weekly basis, guys, man. This is crazy, man. It's ready, man. So if you don't like Tron, at least don't short it, right? Don't short it, guys. Don't short this sucker, man. Don't short this sucker. It is bull market. It is not time to even think about it shorting. Like, even if sucker pump like 100%, right? Don't short it. I mean, yes, you don't want to long it after 100%, but you know, don't, because once you start like shorting, you're gonna basically change your mindset. Your mindset gonna start like thinking like we're in a bear market, right? And you're gonna start getting wrecked, because you know these suckers can pump. You might short it like thinking like it's not gonna pump 40%. Sucker pump 100%, get you wrecked, right? So that's why I haven't been shorting at all. Like, I'm not even looking for a short. It's not something I'm looking for. Even if I see a short opportunity, right, I don't call it. I don't call for no short, man. That's it. My premium group, they know that. They don't even ask for a short. I mean, it's not a signal group, but we don't talk about shorting at all. Like, we just talk about buying the dip. And we've been pretty successful since like January 7th, right? January 28th, right? February 9th, February 15th, right? February 16th, you know, mid-March, right? All those dates, right? We've been buying the dips. Whenever it dumped, right? This sucker dump, we just say, hey guys, it's time to load up because we're going to the moon. All right, so I mean, strong this setup right here. It is a basically a crypto setup, right? Most crypto setup gonna go through this process, especially next bear market, right? Like you know, Digibyte, Litecoin, XRP, you know, most of the coins like back in 2014, 15, right, 16, 17, they went through this pattern. Okay, Dogecoin. If you take a look at Dogecoin, right, Doge BTC. Not this sucker, Doge BTC. You see, Doge BTC went through the same process. It's the same setup. It's just different, you know, pattern, but it is the same setup where you got this move right there, and then they just gonna go crazy, and people are gonna be buying right here. Okay, right here. So you take a look at Doge. Sucker pump like 13x. That's not even a lot, really. That's not even a lot, really. Okay, that's not even a lot. We got multiple setups like that pump over like 20x. Okay, Doge just pump like 10x, like in like 3 days or 4. Okay, so people, you know, kind of remember Doge, but Harmony pump like what, you know, over nearly like 15x. Okay, VAR pump for us like over 30x, 40x, right? And other coins also, right? So BNB pump like over 10x, you see? You know, FET pump for us over, over 10x, right? In USD, 14x, right? So Bitcoin Cash, it is gonna pump. Bitcoin Cash USD, take a look at it on Kraken. Yeah, it's just accumulating right here. Okay, we got the triangular formation breakout. We did talk about the one-to-one extension. Next target nearly, guys, 900 to right here, just about like almost $1,800 right there. That's the next target, 1,800. So all right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day, right? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure to share the content, right? We talk about Digibyte. That's our basically a potential alt to keep an eye on. We talked about it back in February. Load up below 100 sats. Right now we at 150. Not financial advice, guys. All of these setups are my personal setups, right? So you do not basically take it as a financial advice. Even if you make $1 million, it is yours. Okay, if you lose everything, that's your money. Also, you lost. Okay, I'm not asking you anything, right? If anyone basically messaging you guys, sending you text or email or anything saying, hey, he sent crypto, blah blah blah, don't listen. Okay, don't listen. Okay, do not send anyone anything. Okay, and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, man.